Welcome to Compare to Win. The best face massage roller is probably one of the most sought-after beauty tools right now, promising to sculpt, depuff, and give your skin a radiant glow with just a few minutes of daily use, making it an essential addition to any skincare routine for those seeking a more lifted and revitalized complexion. Number 5. BAIMEI IcyMe Gua Sha and Jade Roller Set. Discover the BAIMEI IcyMe Gua Sha and Jade Roller Set. Elevate your skincare routine with these natural beauty tools. Gently massage your face to reduce puffiness and redness. Experience a cooling sensation that revitalizes your complexion. Incorporate this set into your daily self-care practice. It's perfect for both men and women seeking a moment of tranquility. Crafted from genuine jade, these tools promote better circulation. Achieve a healthier, more radiant glow naturally. The cooling effect of the jade helps to calm inflammation. Say goodbye to tired-looking skin and hello to a refreshed appearance. Simple to use, this set delivers noticeable results. Enjoy smoother, firmer-looking skin with consistent use. What we like? This set features natural jade, known for its cooling properties. It's excellent for reducing puffiness and calming redness. If you often wake up with a puffy face or have sensitive skin, this is a great choice for a soothing morning routine. What people say. The roller feels smooth on the skin, and I like using it in the morning to help with puffiness. It's especially refreshing if you keep it in the fridge. The roller has two ends, a larger side for the cheeks, forehead, and neck, and a smaller side that works perfectly for the under area. The Gua Sha tool is equally effective. Its curved shape fits well against the contours of the face, and it's great for gently massaging out tension in the jawline and promoting circulation. Number 4. Sdara Skincare Derma Roller. Introducing the Sdara Derma Roller, your versatile beauty tool. It's perfect for your face, hair, and beard, making it a comprehensive addition to your routine. Crafted with durable, high-quality materials, this roller is built to last. You can rely on it for consistent, effective results every time you use it. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and use, whether you're at home or traveling. The compact size ensures it fits conveniently in your bag. Save money on expensive salon treatments with this affordable and easy-to-use solution. Achieve great skin without breaking the bank. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This is the perfect present for men or women. It's a meaningful way to help them upgrade their skincare routine. Your new roller comes with a free storage case. Keep it protected and ready for use wherever you go. What we like? This tool offers microneedling benefits for your face, hair, and beard. It's crafted with durable materials for long-lasting use. If you're looking to enhance product absorption and target specific skin concerns with a versatile tool, this is a practical and affordable option. What people say. My sunken scars were 70% gone. In one night, I had seen more progress than I had in 3 years. My skin was smoother than it had ever been, the texture was so even. The build quality is impressive, the needles are sharp and evenly spaced, rolling smoothly across the skin without catching or dragging. The handle provides excellent grip and control, making it easy to maintain consistent pressure and coverage. After using every 2 weeks for the last few months, I have been getting compliments on my skin, saying how clear it looks. I do see some difference. I use a thick cream or few products after doing it for my skin to absorb. Number 3. PLANTIFIQUE Jade Roller and Gua Sha Set. Unlock your skin's natural glow with our premium facial tools. Designed for your daily skincare ritual, they help you achieve a more radiant complexion. Crafted from certified, real jade, these tools offer a luxurious and effective way to care for your skin. Feel the difference of genuine quality. Gently massage your face to soothe tension and rejuvenate your skin. The cooling touch of jade helps to depuff and revitalize. Elevate your existing skincare routine with these essential beauty tools. They are perfect for enhancing product absorption and promoting better skin health. Give the gift of beautiful skin. This set is an ideal present for anyone looking to achieve a healthier, more luminous complexion. Discover the PLANTIFIQUE difference. Our commitment is to provide you with high-quality tools for a naturally beautiful you. What we like? Experience the benefits of authentic jade for a radiant complexion. This set is designed for a smooth and effective skincare routine. If you prioritize genuine materials and desire a healthy glow, this is the perfect addition to your self-care ritual. What people say. The stone feels smooth and cool to the touch, with no rough edges, and it glides easily over the skin when used with a facial oil or serum. The shape makes it easy to work around the jawline, cheeks, and neck, and it feels sturdy, not thin or fragile. The genuine rose quartz offers a naturally cool touch, enhancing the soothing experience during use. Regular use promotes lymphatic drainage, reduces puffiness, and improves circulation, contributing to a radiant complexion. The ergonomic design of both tools ensures ease of use, allowing for effective facial massage and contouring. I love how just a few minutes of gua sha instantly makes my face look more lifted and refreshed. It reduces puffiness, improves circulation, and enhances my natural contours without harsh treatments. Number 2. BAIMEI IcyMe Cryotherapy Ice Roller and Gua Sha. Discover the BAIMEI IcyMe, your new essential for a refreshed complexion. This innovative tool combines cryotherapy and gua sha for ultimate skin rejuvenation. Experience the cooling power of cryotherapy to instantly reduce puffiness. It's perfect for waking up your skin and achieving a smoother appearance. Elevate your self-care routine with the integrated gua sha function. Gently massage your face to promote circulation and release tension for a natural glow. Designed for both men and women, this versatile tool is your go-to for daily skincare. Treat yourself to a spa-like experience from the comfort of your home. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This green skincare tool is an ideal present for anyone who deserves a little pampering. Give the gift of radiant skin. Achieve a revitalized look with minimal effort. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to use, ensuring a comfortable and effective skincare ritual. What we like? Achieve an instant cooling effect with this cryotherapy roller. It's specifically designed to combat puffiness and refresh your skin. If you need a quick pick-me-up or want to reduce facial swelling rapidly, this tool provides immediate relief and a revitalized look. What people say. The cool sensation feels amazing, super soothing, and honestly a little addicting. It's cold, but not painfully cold, which is perfect for the face. Even though the handle looks oversized, it actually provides a great grip, making it really easy and comfortable to roll across your face. This roller helps my skincare absorb better. After rolling, my skin feels like it has fully absorbed everything, no residue left behind on my face or on the roller itself. Designed with a stainless steel roller filled with gel, it delivers an instant cooling sensation upon contact with the skin. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable grip and effortless application, making it a joy to use daily. Number 1. Amirce Golden 3D Electric Facial Roller Massager Kit. Discover the secret to a more radiant complexion. This innovative tool is designed to rejuvenate your skin, leaving it looking and feeling its best. Featuring advanced 3D roller technology, it contours effortlessly to your facial features. Achieve a professional spa-like massage in the comfort of your home. Its gentle yet effective design helps to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Enjoy a firmer, smoother look with consistent use. The versatile T-shaped design ensures a comfortable grip and precise application. It's perfect for massaging your face, neck, and other areas needing attention. Unlock your skin's natural glow and enhance its vitality. This facial roller is your new essential for achieving a refreshed and youthful appearance. Crafted with a premium golden finish, this massager not only performs exceptionally but also looks elegant. Treat yourself to a touch of luxury. What we like? This kit combines electric vibration with a 3D roller for an advanced facial massage. The elegant golden finish adds a touch of luxury. If you're seeking a high-tech massage experience that contours and revitalizes your skin with gentle vibrations, this is the modern solution for you. What people say. The gold finish looks nice, and both the 3D roller and the T-shaped massager feel sturdy in hand. The electric T-bar has a gentle vibration that's relaxing without being overwhelming. It glides really well and feels like a mini at-home spa moment. Excellent product. Does exactly what I was hoping. Gives good vibration to aid in toning my face and neck. 2 wheels roll smoothly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.